Now let's talk safety. Let's talk about safety in the field of heated sample lines. So far, if you look in the past, the production of a heated sample line was when it was installed into an ATEX classified area, the main focus has always been the heating cable. So far, if you could show and prove the certificate, the ATEX certificate for the heating cable, everything was fine. Nowadays, in the novellation of the ATEX regulations, there's also a focus on so-called passive components, which means other risks such as electrostatical load are also assessed and looked at. And we in AGT-PSG were working in order to improve the safety of the heated sample line. Therefore, I'm very happy to introduce our PSG EX3 line. The speciality and the innovation of the EX3 line is the jacket, but not just the jacket, the entire system of ATEX approval here. I have a measurement device here in order to prove and to show you the speciality. Usually when we look at the jacket is not conductive. That means if there is wind or someone is wiping, there will be electrostatical load on the line. Now you can argue that whenever the line is grounded on the cable tray, the risk is probably not that high. But you have to understand that whenever there's a small piece of the line, a small length of the line, which is not grounded, there can be electrostatical load, which is a potential danger you have to handle. So our concept now is we developed a new jacket, a conductive jacket material here, which still has all the advantages of being very robust, being very long living, and having still the chance to be shortened. But at the same time, we bring away the electrostatical load by the usage of a potential equalization. As you can see here, I prepared the connection of the potential equalization, and now wherever I touch the line, you can see that there is a flow. So there is a conductivity given, meaning that the electrostatical load, which can be generated by the jacket, which can be generated by wind wiping on the jacket, it is transported to the potential equalization. We have been manufacturing this in the past since very long, and for the inside of the line, but now the newest innovation is to have the conductive jacket with all of its positive characteristics. Now it's very important that the entire system is conductive. Let's say you have a conductive jacket, but the heating, the shrinking and the finishing of the line, the confection is not conductive. So we managed to use a special shrinking sleeve together with a conductive PTFE material here in order to ensure that there can be no dangerous electrostatical load. This is our contribution, our commitment to make the world a little bit safer, and therefore we recommend for you, whenever you have a use in ATEX zones, to choose for the PSG AX3 line. Now the thing I would like to mention, depending on how you looked the video, the ATEX, the EX3 line is also available with our new flex jacket. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to contact